back to another episode of Ask the Attorney. I'm your host, Alex Alexander with Client Focus Media. Today, I'm really excited to bring Mark Markus, LA bankruptcy attorney from the law office of Mark J. Markus. Find him online at bklaw.com. Welcome, Mark. How are you doing today?
I'm doing well, Alex. How are you?
I am incredible, and thank you for asking, and thank you for being on our show. So we talked a little bit before we came on camera, and one of the things I wanted to kind of bring forward, or at least ask, is, people get into law for different reasons, right? And was there a point in your life that you knew you were going to be a lawyer, and what made you pursue being a lawyer?
Well, actually, no. I was actually pursuing a music career when I ended up going to law school because I just wanted to get additional education. And then, I don't know, it just kind of like morphed into a career. And I ended up, the first job I got in law was with a bankruptcy law firm, and it isn't something that was my dream for my life, but I really enjoyed it, and I found it fascinating, and it covered a wide range of different areas of law within bankruptcy, because you're dealing with all these different issues, and I really liked helping people, and I really liked just the legal aspects of it as well as the personal aspects of it. So I just ended up one year after another. It just all of a sudden I've been doing it for 31 years, and it just kind of gelled from the beginning.
Well, congratulations on 3 decades of solid work in a great industry. So congratulations on that. You have a lot of guys that come and go, right? They'll clerk here or there, and it's not for them, or whatever the case may be. So congratulations on having the stick-to-itiveness to do this. And of course, you stated you liked what you do. So anytime you can do what you like, it shows. Typically your clients are happy, you're happier, and that's an awesome thing. So tell us a little bit about bklaw.com.
The web page or the firm?
Your business.
Yeah, I mean, basically, yeah. We're a full service bankruptcy firm. I handle primarily consumer bankruptcy cases, but also handle businesses, and representing both sides. Both the people filing bankruptcy as well as those who are affected by those filing bankruptcy. Although I can't represent them both in the same case, I do both. And, I represent in all chapters of bankruptcy, Chapter 7, Chapter 11, Chapter 13, primarily in the Los Angeles area, but throughout California for Chapter 7 cases. And, I sort of specialize in more personalized service to my clients, because I don't have any staff, I don't have any secretaries, I don't have any paralegals, and I enjoy having the one-on-one with the clients, and I know everything that goes into the documents that are filed with court. I know every word and every number that's gone in there, because I'm the one who put it in, and there's never any questions in my cases about whether the information is accurate and where I got it from. So
one more quick thing, and that's, people have this misconception of the bankruptcy is going to destroy their credit and that kind of stuff. Can you just real briefly give us a little highlight or a high level overview of that phrase?
Sure, that's just completely false. It's actually the exact opposite of that. Bankruptcy does not destroy your credit. Bankruptcy gives you the ability to rebuild your credit. People that go into bankruptcy typically don't have really good credit scores to begin with, although some do. And so if you have a really high credit score and you file bankruptcy, obviously it's going to go down a little bit because you're defaulting on your payments. But if you don't file bankruptcy, you've got multiple different time periods that are running for rebuilding your credit. Late charges from this creditor, late charges from that one, a judgment from this one, and they all just run from different time periods. When you file a bankruptcy case, you get a definite starting over point called a fresh start, which allows you to rebuild your credit very quickly. And most clients can get their credit scores back up into the 700s or even 800s within a year after filing a bankruptcy case. So it's just not an accurate statement. Yeah.
Well, Mark, I really appreciate you on the show today, and I appreciate everyone out there tuning into this episode of Ask the Attorney. If you'd like to learn more about Mark Markus from the law office of Mark J. Markus, please go to bklaw.com or right here at iwannabuzz.com. So do something good for yourself and do something good for others.